Top 10 Side Hustles to Make Money in 2022. 1. Teach English online. Sites like VIPKID and Qkids are popular options and allow you to teach right from your home. 3. Write an ebook. Writing a self-published ebook to sell on Amazon is among one of the more common side hustle ideas, particularly for bloggers or those with existing communities. 4. Sell online workshops. If you're an expert in your field or have some other valuable life lessons to teach others, turn your expertise into a side hustle and sell online courses or workshops online. Did you know that you can make money by renting out your car parking space? Another perk of the sharing economy. If you have a car parking space you're not using, try websites such as Daft or Park P&P to make passive income each month for very little effort. 6. Rent out a spare room. Whether you list your space on Airbnb or simply consider getting a roommate to sign a year-long lease that'll offset your mortgage, becoming a landlord is one of the most lucrative side hustle ideas out there. 7. Refurbish and resell used furniture. Buy cool pieces at a thrift store and make them look better than ever with a coat of paint or some new drawer pulls. You can even get gently used pieces off the side of the road for a lower startup cost. Become a virtual assistant. With the workforce becoming increasingly more remote, lots of big companies and high-up executives are hiring virtual assistants to outsource administrative responsibilities too. 10. Assemble IKEA and Amazon